Hello guys, welcome back to the programming guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create music playlists on your YouTube music. So first thing you have to do is launch your YouTube music app just like this. And once you have done that, you can click on the search bar to search for any songs of your choice. So I'm going to search for this song and click on that. So once you click on that, you'll see those three dots next to the song. Click on that and click on save to playlist. So click on that and you can simply see where it says new playlist. Click on new playlist and give it a title. You can give it music, let's say music for example, and you can also put a description. You can make it public, private, unlisted. So I'm going to private mine. Click on private and click on create, and your playlist has been created. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.